Hello, today I will talk about factorization. So here you will understand how much simple this one and this kind of any type of factorization will be simple for you. I can bet, I can guarantee. So first one you have to try to solve this one. Just you have to 6 and 2 you have to multiply both 6 into 6 into 2 equal to 12. Okay, then here you can understand a very simple thing. 6 into 2 equal to 12 and 12 equal to you can write 4 into 3. Okay, now you can see 4 into 3 equal to 12, or here 6 and 2 equal to 12, and same 4 plus 3 equal to 7. You can see here is 7. So we can understand this one only, then we can get the solution simply. When you will multiply, then it should come 12, and when you add both one, then should will come 7, like that means middle one coefficient. So now here let's start. 2x square plus 7x, you can write 4x into 4x plus 3x. Okay, 4x plus 3x, then here is 6. Okay, now you can, because you wrote this one and you can understand what is the logic here. Now there is the common 2x, and here is also 2 into 2 4x, that means 2x here is also common. Then you can write here 2x into what will remain here, x only, then this one plus, then because 2x is common, so here only 2, then you can write plus, this one is plus, and now here you can write common 3, then there is remaining x plus 2, then you can see here will be common x plus 2 and x plus 2. So next one is 2x, then this one plus 3, and common is there x plus 2. Here is the answer you got after the factorization. Now if all will become 0, that means 2x square plus 7x plus 6 equal to, suppose this one equal to 0, then you can write after the 0, after 0 you can write x equal to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 2, but only it will be 0, then you can write this one, but the final answer is this one only. So I think you understood this one, and next question I will give you. If you understood, then you can solve in easy way. First I will erase this one. Okay, now I'll erase this one, then I'll give you second question, and I think 100% I know you will solve this question, but there is the plus, but I will give you minus. Is the second question. 3x square minus 10x plus 8. You have to solve, but I will give you a little bit. You can understand first what I told in this question. 8, this one, and coefficient of x square is 3. Then you have to multiply both one. Now here you can write same form, this logic. So here will be 8 into 3, okay, 24. Now what we can do 24, that means when multiply then it should come 24, and when add then it should come 10. So 8 into 3 equal to 24, and 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So there is not valid this logic. So here we can write 6 into 4 equal to 24, and 6 plus 4 equal to 10. I got this one, okay, I got this one. So we can understand this one. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Now you can write, first please solve this one, then we can write 3x square minus 10x. We can write 6x, okay, minus 4x. Here will be minus, because minus 6x minus 4x equal to minus 10x plus 8. Now you can understand, I think. So here we can write what is the common. There will be 3x will be common, and here is also 3 into 2 6, 3 and x common. Here will be 4x will be 4 only common, 4 and 4 into 2. In detail, if somebody, maybe someone can be understand, and many people won't understand. So I will write here 3x into x, okay, minus 3 into 2 into x minus 4x plus 4 into 2 dot, that means multiplication symbol here. So now 3x and 3x will be common, 4 and 4 will be common. So 3x and remaining x minus, here also 3x is common only, 2 remaining x minus 2, okay. Now it's finished. Then this one minus 4x, that means here is the common 4, because minus will be also common, minus, then 4, here is plus will become minus, because minus I taken common, so minus, no, 4 will be common, sorry, actually 4 is the common, so minus 4 is common, actually minus also common and 4 common, so here is will be bracket, and x minus 2, then you will get 3x, then this one is minus 4, and next one is both are common, x minus 2, so x minus 2. This is the solution. You can understand if it will become 0, then x equal to 4 by 3 and x equal to 2. You can understand the factorization in a very easy way. Next one you can solve in very easy way. I think many I searched video, but this much simple you never find. So first one I will erase this one. Okay, this one I will erase and I will give you next question for you. Only you will solve. I won't solve here. Third question. 2x square minus 7x minus 4. It's very simple. From this logic you can understand. Just I will mark here what should you do. 4 and 2, what should you do? 4 into 2,